Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video I'm going to prepare Soursop smoothie. Thank you. Keep watching and see how I'm going to prepare it. Preparing this Soursop smoothie, you need to have a ripe one like this. It's very ripe so that it will make your smoothie sweet. And remember, this is not ordinary fruit. It has many health benefits. Soursop is a very good fruit to include in your diet because it has so many health benefits. Look at this one, is a very big one. It helps in digestion, constipation, and it helps in reducing weight. It also helps with people with hypertension and also reducing or help in coronary disease. Also help with people with diabetics. Taking it daily, a glass of it will surprise you. So watch me as I'm going to prepare this. Thank you. Let's get started. Get a clean water, add salt to it if you want to add salt to it because it's fruit. Then wash it very well. Remove all the white particles that I'm seeing on the skin if your own has it. See them here. And wash it very well. Remove this stalk here. And it is clean enough. You wash it 2 times. It is clean, then you remove it from the water. If it is too big like this, because I'm going to prepare for 2, take a clean knife, then divide it into 2. Divide it into 2. If there is any spoiled part, remove it. Then cut it into 2 again to bring out the seed before blending it. So get your hand washed, then pick it gently, remove the seed like that, then pick out removing the seed, then pick out the do it like that until you finish it. After separating it from the seed, this is how it looks like. Make sure there is no seed in it. So now it is ready to blend. Make sure there is no seed. As you can see, very creamy. So I'm going to blend it now. So I'll pour a little water, a little clean water to my smoothie machine. More. Then I'll add the Soursop into it. I'll cover it. Your smoothie is ready. Let's serve it. The smoothie is ready now. Prepare it and enjoy it at home. If it is very thick, you can dilute it with water. And it is delicious and sweet when it is chilled. Thank you for watching this channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.